All right, we're going to start with a little break of Revolution. I think we started with Revolution last time. Break number 76, 17-18 Revolution basketball. Becky, you got the Mavs. Craig's got the Raps. Garrett's got the Suns and Kings. Jacob's got the Hawks, Celtics, Jazz. James, you got the Nuggets, Grizzlies, Pelicans, Thunder, Sixers, and Wiz. Jose's got the Bulls, Pistons, Clips, and Lakers. Miguel with the Magic. Paul with the Cavs, Warriors, Rockets. And Mr. Solomon, Nets, Hornets, Pacers, Heat, Bucks, T-Wolves, Knicks, Blazers, Spurs. Good luck, everybody. The sound should be a little bit better tonight. As I was just telling everybody, I fixed my mic. I figured out how to use it again. Hey, Impact, Vortex. Mr. Westbrook. Rob for the Grizzlies. Bazemore. Groove. And Liftoff, Debo. Tony Parker, Astro. And Mr. OG for the Raptors. There we go. Elfrid Payton, Impact for the Magic. Now with the Suns. Larry Bird. Dragic Groove. Frank Mason. Giannis. Astro. Ben Simmons, Vortex. They had a 50 for the Kings. Kubik Bogdanovich. It's a nice card. Jared Allen for the Nets. And a Damian Dotson for the Knicks. That's a fractal. And to finish us off, a Jason Tatum, Rookie Revolution for the Celtics. Cool. All right, we're just going to do the... Obviously nothing at random there, so we'll just do the jackpot. Can't forget about the jackpot, right? For anyone who's not aware, we run a jackpot after every break. And I try to give the breakaway. So we've been... it's been fairly popular. We ran it up the first time we went through this. We ran it all the way up to 20 breaks without it hitting. And then since then, it's gone at 1. We did a break, then it hit again. Then we went back up to 8, hit again. And then we went to 1 and it hit again. And now we're back up to about 5. So, yeah, basically we take all the teams in the break. So in this case, we got 30 NBA teams. We'll put them in a list. So all 30. Doesn't matter who has what team. We roll the dice, or roll 2 dice. 7 times is what we're going to do. So we're going to random the list 7 times. Whatever team shows up on top. After I random the list 7 more times, if the same team shows up on top, we get a free break. So right now we're at 5 on the counter. Once we hit 10, it's any of the top 2 teams. And once we hit 20, it's any of the top 3. And then I leave it at 3 until it hits. So it's a nice little added value in any of my breaks. So keep that in mind when you're buying in. Basically, you keep your team for the free breaks. So if you like any team and any break, you know, just a little bit of added value. So 7 times. So Cavaliers, like I said, doesn't matter who has them. We're just going to, when this says 14, if the Cavaliers are up on top, you get a free break. Suns, it did not go. No jackpots tonight. So that'll do it for number 76. One box of Revolution. Thanks for getting in.